The red-crowned crane is one of the most iconic and rare bird species in the world. This bird measures up to 150 centimeters in length and weighs up to 15 kilograms. Most of its plumage is white, with black wingtips, and it has a distinctive red crown on its head. Red-crowned cranes inhabit wetlands, marshes, and grasslands, primarily in East Asia. They are renowned for their elegant courtship dance, where pairs leap, bow, and flap their wings in harmony. In the wild, these birds are critically endangered, with an estimated population of fewer than 3,000 individuals.